Start with fresh, sustainably caught, delicious codfish. Yukon Gold potatoes, fresh leeks, yellow onion, milk, butter, Gruyere cheese, and creme fraiche. This dish involves a few separate steps. The first step will be cooking this beautiful piece of fish ahead of time. Cut into 4 evenly sized portions. I like to fold over the tail piece so it becomes the same thickness as the others. Next, find a deep casserole dish large enough to fit your fish in an even layer. Season with salt and pepper and bake until just cooked. Then allow it to cool at room temperature. This is a fresh leek, a magic ingredient for chefs who want a light, sophisticated onion flavor. Remove the green tops and the root and discard. Cut it in half lengthwise. Remove a couple of the outer layers as they tend to be tougher. Let's cross-cut the leeks about 3/4 of an inch wide. So it's important to soak and rinse your leeks to remove any soil before using. Separate the leek pieces with your hands, which will also help loosen any soil which will fall to the bottom of the bowl. Dice your yellow onion into 1/2-inch pieces. In a large frying pan, add some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add your onions and leeks. Cook slowly without color. Season with salt and pepper to wilt the veggies until cooked, about 5 minutes. Add your frozen peas, which are an essential part of the proper fish pie. Reserve in a bowl at room temperature. Gruyere cheese is a decadent, rich, and nutty cheese that adds depth of flavor all chefs strive for. Grate on the smaller holes of your box grater. This is what you would call the feather grated cheese. Let's add creme fraiche, which is a richer, tangier version of sour cream. This will become the white sauce in your pie. Now add the grated Gruyere, mix it into your cooked veggies, and leave at room temperature. Mashed potatoes is one of my calling cards. I like to use Yukon Gold potatoes. Be sure to salt your water and boil until tender. Here's an important tip when making your mash bows. Drain your cooked potatoes and put back into your pot over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes so they are able to dry out completely. This will intensify the flavor of your mashed potatoes. This is a food mill, circa 1955, an important tool in my kitchen. From mashed potatoes to applesauce, it's an essential tool. Run your cooked potatoes through the food mill, scraping down the sides until fully milled. Add your soft, room temperature butter and mix in until melted. Warm some milk in the microwave to match the temperature of your potatoes and add a little bit at a time until your desired creaminess is achieved. Season with salt and pepper and voila. Do you see lumps? No, I don't see lumps. This is a lump-free zone. Are you ready to assemble? Top your cooked fish with an even layer of veggie mixture. Add some large dollops of lumpless mashed potatoes. Spread with a wet spoon until evenly covered by your pillowy potatoes. Now a little chefy trick. Take your wet spoon and create some evenly spaced circular indents in the mashed potatoes. You'll see why soon. After 30 minutes, or until the mashed potatoes are beginning to brown, remove the dish from the oven and drizzle each indent with melted butter and top with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley if desired. And now the best part. Time to fill your bowls with heaping spoonfuls of your proper fisherman's pie. Warm, rich, and aromatic with creamy mashed potatoes and fresh, flaky fish. Epic comfort seafood personified. Bon appetit.